When playing multiplayer, we've added VOIP, which allows you to communicate with other players outside of a third-party app like Discord or TeamSpeak. There's 3 keys you need to know, and they're all on the numpad. The 0 key on the numpad will do a global chat. Whatever you're talking on will show at the very bottom of the screen if your UI is open, and it will show which channel you're speaking on. So right now I'm speaking on global, so if somebody was in the game with me, they'd be able to hear me. Global has no extra voice effects or anything like that. It's just plain voice. If we use Fireground, it will add a static audio effect accurate to what it would sound like in real life, as well as a clunk, which will sound when you let go of the radio. So I'm holding down the button and I let go. And if I hold down 2, which is the last key for dispatch, that's the dispatch channel, which dispatchers talk to units and vice versa. If we hold that down, we'll say 111 responding.
908, 223 Decatur Street, Lewis Avenue to Marcus Garvey Boulevard, putting a fire in the rear. Photo alarm 908, 223 Decatur Street, Lewis Avenue to Marcus Garvey, we're putting a fire in the rear of a multiple dwelling. 2107 445.
111, we're responding. The more you know.